obeye leader no ma bi wo ho a ene nsem bi wo ho a wo kan ese wo hwe ni MPP say we are penny a wodi animu and at this moment 40 days observation eye arehwo mrekra mode sebe ede kai ode hia wa firi mu na mo hwe saade we ho ena wokoka ensem de ahye manfo abufuo se ukona obi ekuratu afatuo hia no ukona obi kura sekan afa sekan hia no na say in a way no wadwen pom no you meant say abatwo na mo komu no wo de violence na ekoma na say dey na wo preach kire wachitafo no as a leader dey na pese wo preach kire omo whilst aye nyina ye hwesa asomdwe hu nsem betumi aye adwuma. And of course there are so many roadmaps security agencies need a good FM, including no weapon zone. Strategies change and the Markin can be there almost even if you don't even trust the security, you don't make those comments. You don't make those comments as a leader. They're now the two supporters in the team. Now we say na KKK no be and you are just inciting people say bibi say yeah. I mean it's not right. And to it Tamale Central is a whole party decision. Samonko and politically you chose not to go. And at the decision of the NDC not to contest Akwatia, eye omo ankasa omasem. And at the American there was circle a circle of control, circle of influence. Near obi pesa woye no. Sabi ona aboni chim so obeye wo wontumi nsesa no. So obi so obe respect you, wontumi enforce no say respect me. So obi so obe contest, wontumi enforce no so wonyai contest. But your own decisions and your own choices no there, you take responsibilities for it. Ohun de asie, o de wonya ayemye se Tamale Central de asie ne atoyere nchem a esi ya to o man ya nipa efri mu nti. Samra shebedwa konya no monko as a party. But obi say ono de sabio sadia obi a wo nya asa ayemye na wo kan wasem wo so ono de ono be contest wo nipa ewukro be contest. And of course these incidents ebiatu no obi making the choices differently. That doesn't give a room say odi abufuo be cancel bi say enu nti no obi de bibi ba obi mfanhia no. It is wrong. And as a leader Afenyo because the internet does not forget. There are certain candidates. I don't know your political ambition there. But you know maybe I will say now as a leader. And of course, those things will be played back to you. And I know, say, you're a man of violence. But if you preach violence, now you're the two to say you are actually becoming a man of violence. And this is not right with you as a minority leader. And I mean, say by elections political party being or contested. In fact, some of us were saying MPB free more. Yama party krona ampe obi mfa no nyeye, but enyamra party ni pa or the opposition party ni pa obe contest it. The other parties betimi a contest it, and that's constitutional. So why all these things? Any statements from you? It's not right, and it's becoming too many on that. Nhyira 104.5. My main call opening hona